This is my new router jig, and this is for cupboard hinges. So this is the demo piece. I'm going to cut a new one using the new router jig. So for the demonstration purposes, I have two pieces of timber. So what I'm going to do is mark off the middle. Okay, so mark through on both pieces. You can see there's a little crosshair to put this timber in, and line that through. The next stage of the process is to clamp to a secure surface. The next thing I need to do is to set the depth to 15 mil. The finished hole looks like that. So align this hole to be ready to fit the hinge. Nice firm fit. The first half of the hinge. So iron that through. The line is on the middle of that piece there. The exact position that we need. Now at this stage, just clip the hinge together. And that is ready to go. Thanks for watching.